Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use QuickBooks, especially for your plumbing or HVAC business. So first, you just have to sign up for an account on QuickBooks. Then after that, you just have to log in. So here is we have to create services and product items. So just go to the sales section, click on the products and services. This one. After that, click on New at the top right so you can add services like AC installation or pipe repair. So click on this New and click on the services. So for the basic info of the service, you just have to give it a name. So we have AC installation or pipe repair. You can also add products like copper pipe or air filter. So it's up to you if you want to add an inventory for this one. Okay. So here, input all of the important information. That's right. Now click on Save and Close. And the next thing you should do is to set up the customers. So click on the customers option, this one. That's right. And then I just have to click on the new customer option. So here, on the section, you just have to add details. So we have name, address, contact info, useful for tracking each job and sending invoices. So make sure to input the details right here of your new customer. Okay, after that, you just have to click on Save. Next is to create jobs using projects. So just go to the project section. Okay, so this one at the left side of our screen. That's right. And then click on New Project. So for the name of this job, you can label this one as HVAC install and then add another name like the last name of your customers, or you can also put a location, just a label for you to remember. And then after that, you just have to assign the customer to the project. And then you can now track the income and expenses per job. Okay, after that, just click on Save. Next is to track the expenses and the materials. So we just have to go to the new option at the top left of your screen. That's right. And then click on the expense or connect your bank account. So you can categorize this one like, for example, fuel, tools, parts, job-related expenses, or overhead, office supplies, software, and etc. So you can assign expenses to the correct project to track your profit. And then just have to save this section. Next is to create estimates and invoices. So just go to the estimates. Okay, click on the new option once again and then click on estimates. Just have to choose your customer. Okay, list the services or materials. And when accepted, you just have to convert to invoice. Okay, so let me just input here the important details. So for the products and service, I'm just going to select AC installation or pipe repair. And then for the rate, input right here the rate. And then after that, just have to click on Save and Send. Okay, and then here you'd be able to see here now your invoice. Next is to accept payments. To do that, just have to click on the new option at the top left, go to the receive payments, and then, okay, so let me just click on this one. Then you just have to select the invoice. That's right, and log how it was paid. So we have cash, check, bank transfer, or it's up to you what kind of payment method do you want to use right here. Okay, so this is your payment method. So we're going to select cash. Okay, and then input also all of the other information. Okay, and then you just have to save and close this section. And lastly, you just have to run reports to monitor the jobs. So to monitor the jobs or to run a reports, you just have to go to the report section at the left side of our screen. And then here we have the profit and loss by project and build time, open invoices, and the job costing summary. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.